Yo, editors, what's good? Did y'all miss me? Or did the thumbnail kidnap you into clicking this video? Anyway, today I'm finally going to show you how to make those clean, Molob-style compositions. Because let's be honest, good visuals are what keep people watching in AMV. Like yeah, shakes and effects are cool, but if your composition looks dead, bro, the edit starts feeling like a school presentation. So open your project and pick the clip you want to use. First, export that clip and import it into Blur. Now mask out your character properly. Don't rush it or your character gonna look allergic to pixels. After removing the background, add a green screen behind it. Export the clip. Now open Alight Motion. Import the original clip, the background removed clip. Now add chroma key and remove the green screen. After that, duplicate the bottom clip, group it with the BG removed layer, add masking. Just follow what I'm doing on screen because explaining composition feels like teaching math to a goldfish. Now comes the important part. This is where your edit actually starts looking professional. Do some smooth positioning, add depth, use materials properly, and don't overdo the effects. A lot of people think more effects equals better edit. No, bro. Sometimes your edit just needs space to breathe. For the color correction and materials, check the description. I left everything there so you can download it easily. And yeah, that's basically how I make these compositions. Now go practice instead of watching 17 tutorials back to back and editing nothing. Thanks for watching.